Hello, my name is Ronnie from OSC Taiwan. Today, I'd like to show you how the TrapX deception grid technology can help you to protect your organization's SQL server from attacks. Now, I will explain how the emulation works. First, we will set up a dummy SQL database server. Then, we can set up several traps of decoys to proxy to the dummy server. So when the attacker got into your organization network, he will see multiple SQL servers and he won't be able to find out which one is the real one. And when he touches one of our decoys, the TrapX will alert and record all activities the attacker did inside the decoy. Then, your organization's SOC team can act immediately to defend against the attacker. Now, let's set up our decoy to proxy to our dummy SQL server. So first, let's go to the applets, click on traps, and choose one of the traps. Now the list of emulation will show up. Let's choose the Windows server. Here you can choose which version you want to emulate. And now let's click configure on the MS SQL. Let's type the IP address of our dummy SQL server. Click on apply. And done. Our decoy has been set up. So let's run our simulation. For example, I'm an attacker and I try to access the SQL server by using SQL command. So here I will type the decoy IP address. I will enter the password. And now I already gain access to the traps, to the decoy SQL server emulation. And I will try to run some command, some SQL command. For example, I set up a dummy database called AdventureWorks 2012, and I will try to look for some data from inside the database. For example, I will access data from the person.address and go. Okay. So the SQL CMD will show some data from our dummy database, and then I will exit. Now let's go back to our TrapX dashboard. Let's go to the event analyzer. Now there is one new event inside the event analyzer. Let's click on this. Now this is what really happens. When the attacker is accessing the decoys, the TrapX will detect and record all interactions done within the decoy. And the TrapX will provide the timeline of the attack and also provide you the IP address of the attacker. Not only that, the TrapX will also record all the commands or activities done inside the decoy. So this information will help your SOC team to act immediately and defend against the attack. So the TrapX emulation technology will help you to quickly set up decoys inside your organization to deceive the attacker hacking into your organization and detect the attack as early as possible. So thank you for watching and see you next time.